So this is the dual brush pen I have. So wow, it's really amazing. So you can see the 24 shades. After that, we have the 200 rupees Tom shade, which is with having 12 colors. After that, I have the metallic brush pen, so which is on the 10 shape. After that, I have like agile pen. So this is all about, which is around 150 price. After that, I have like Tombow's Fudenosuke brush pens, which is one with the hard tip and more soft tip RFM. So it's fair brush tip. So see, it's like come with the 24 shades. After that, I have the 24 set pen. So wow, it's really amazing, cool. Which is come with one silver and gold metallic. After that, I have the camel brush pen. So see, wow, it's amazing colors. So this is all about that today's day two. So let's we can meet over there on day three. So which I will talk about like what are the different types of strokes that we are using while drawing our brush calligraphy. So stay tuned. If you like my YouTube channels or this video, so definitely please click on the like button and stay tuned for the upcoming session. Thank you.